Business moves fast. New ideas become new applications almost overnight. But too often, your IT infrastructure is not moving at the same speed. Your IT team is too busy planning or putting out fires to keep up with the pace of change. Introducing Nutanix Cloud Infrastructure, the cornerstone of the Nutanix Cloud Platform. Nutanix simplifies IT management, giving your team the time and freedom they need to innovate. Here's how it works. Instead of expensive proprietary server and storage hardware that's difficult to scale and manage, Nutanix Cloud Infrastructure starts with industry-standard server building blocks, the scale-out hardware elements used in every modern cloud. But what makes Nutanix Cloud Infrastructure different is that the servers are pulled together via a distributed software architecture to form software-defined clusters to compute, storage, and network resources. Compute resources are virtualized and containerized across the cluster to improve scale, resilience, and load balancing. Storage resources are combined and protected across the cluster, a monumental software improvement over legacy RAID systems. Network resources are hardened against cyber attacks, using a zero-trust security model along with native controls like encryption and microsegmentation, plus a layered defense in-depth architecture. As workloads change, clusters can adapt to meet your evolving requirements. Using advanced deployment software, admins can remotely create multiple clusters that extend to data centers, the edge, and public cloud to create a unified hybrid cloud in just minutes. And physical resources scale just as easily. Simply add servers to dynamically expand and protect any cluster. The secret is in how the data is managed. Nutanix Cloud Infrastructure breaks data into small pieces so it can be efficiently managed automatically and dynamically moved within the cluster as needed to optimize for performance and resiliency. Active data is always kept local, so apps get instant access without competing or interfering with other applications. And if a drive, node, or network connection fails, Nutanix Cloud Infrastructure quickly self-heals, maintaining data integrity and keeping applications running without manual intervention. Workloads can then be replicated, migrated, and protected for disaster recovery at other locations running Nutanix Cloud Infrastructure. This includes AWS availability zones for testing and development, remote synchronous replication to a disaster recovery site, and at the edge to capture data close to sensors and IoT endpoints. The result is an agile and resilient system that supports and consolidates all types of workloads and data formats, from block to file and object, all from one platform. And Nutanix Database Service simplifies managing complex database environments, from a single console and API through one-click provisioning, database protection and patching, and copy data management. End-user desktops and apps are quickly deployed and easily scaled as your organization grows, delivering exceptional performance and operation without the need for extensive planning. Workloads and data inherit the benefits of the underlying distributed software architecture, whether running in virtual machines or containers, and regardless of storage protocols. But the greatest benefit of Nutanix Cloud Infrastructure is how it simplifies management and frees your IT team from day-to-day tasks. With compute and storage resources on a unified platform, performance management and application troubleshooting are easier and more efficient. Instead of managing individual elements, the app-centric approach used by Nutanix Cloud Infrastructure lets you view, remediate, and scale resources from a single management console. Nutanix Cloud Manager delivers critical automation tools powered by AI-assisted machine learning to dramatically simplify application orchestration, capacity planning, and anomaly detection. And you can also empower users to provision and manage their own workloads through self-service and fine-grained policy management, giving them a unified experience across clouds while saving the IT team time and hassles. Nutanix Cloud Infrastructure, a single, simplified foundation for all workloads.